Alright, we're at Wang Long. Wang Lang, Long Wang Long, whatever you want to call it. I have been here once before and I wanted to come back to film it. Ridiculous street food. And there's like a whole maze of markets going on, street food, and there's a university like right next to here, so it's packed with students, everyone getting their munchies on. Ready to be blown away?
Ready.
Let's do it. That one's taro. Got taro, it's got shredded taro. So yeah, it does smell like Domino's pizza. This is kind of it. These long alleyways. Endless street food and things. Yum, 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 yum. Just riding the motorbike through. No big deal. So motorbikes, think of it like this. It's literally like you're walking. You know, it's the same as walking on foot. It's just walking on two wheels. Of course, this is what I had last night at W Market. W. Somtam and grilled chicken, classic. These are fish bites. Here. You think it's from New Zealand or Washington?
New Zealand. Oh, they're New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Oh, see.
Here's an apple kiwi.
There we go. Thanks, man. Big apples and the big mango.
They're either from New Zealand or they're from Washington. I've seen some Washington apples out here. That's some good chicken right there. Grandma's specialty. Looking like a fresh New Zealand apple. How exotic is that? Ani แล้วก็อันนี้ครับอย่างละ10
Tokyo leg.
Tokyo leg. Oh, Tokyo. Tokyo, right. So that actually comes from the word Tokyo, like in Japan. And someone told me they named it Tokyo. And they don't know why. Just kind of a funny joke. So get yourself some Tokyo, which actually means Tokyo, but I don't know why. And here's one with egg. I've never tried the egg one. Egg mini rolled pancakes. Oh! Mmm! Oh my god. It's like a sweet pancake roll. Fried egg in there, a little bit of pepper. Mmm. And here's one with sweet cream. Mmm. Oh, delicioso! That's so bomb. This is classic street food to me. Bomb. I have to show you this old school AIS top-up machine. Oh my god, I've never seen one like this. This is the 1990s version, or maybe 2000s version of top-up. Original. Okay, I like spicy.
Yes,
Yeah.
I like too.
Okay, good. And what do they call this?
Like a vegetable salad.
Vegetable salad.
Yeah. But you add some soup or some like a spicy sauce to mix the vegetable together.
Okay. And what about this?
You know, shoutouts, some kind like a herb for when you get a hot weather, you can eat it because it's a cold, make you cold.
Okay, I think I need some of this.
Yeah.
I'm long mak.
Yeah, but this is cold, but they have add ice and some milk and you drink it.
Oh, ice
Make
and
you
milk.
Cold, yeah.
Okay, I thought they were gonna put vegetables inside here.
No.
Okay.
Separate together.
Okay. Thank. Pak one. Okay, chop. Thanks. So I was thinking that maybe this black jelly stuff and this vegetable stuff would go together. I was wrong. Sometimes it's just two totally separate things that she's selling. She happens to be selling these little vegetable soup bags, which I've never seen before, and this black jelly, or as they say, black jerry. They actually say that, it's not. Anyways, basically sugar and ice and jelly. Not too bad. And she said, that student girl said that it's famous for having in hot weather. It's supposed to cool you down. It's a sweet ice drink, so. Here you have the classic grill sticks here. This is classic Thai right here. These little skewers. Our nisong cup. So we're gonna go ahead and get 2 beef, 2 chicken. Make sure you swat off the flies. Beef cup. Very local style. The thing that's good about Wang Lang Market is it's not too touristy. Definitely more local than some of the other ones like Chatujak Market. That's bigger, but this is more local. Chicken. And in about 90 seconds you gotta hear some cooked up chicken, spicy. Hot off the grill with Uncle Chai. Uncle Chai here. Grilling. Okay, thank you, Ma. And they got, I love the pineapple, grilled pineapple on the end. Ah.
Is shrimp. My grandma made that.
So it's coconut, but they put shrimp in it too. But it's also shredded coconut. The shrimp, the orange shrimp stuff tastes like shredded coconut meat, so it's very sweet and delicious. You don't even taste the shrimp. Of course, we got here, we have mo ping. Alloy day, #1 in Thailand, mo ping. Come see this one. Thank you. Toasted bread and pork sandwiches.
Yeah, crispy Thai toast.
Crispy toast. Oh, he's
toast.
okay.
Thai,
Toast.
Thai style.
Thai style crispy toast. Wow. Oh yeah. Look at that bike right there. Of course, get all your elephant pants.
All grandmas.
This is grandma pants?
Yeah, this one.
This is Thai grandma pants.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Just piles. 60 baht. So you come in here and guess what? Yeah, this is the second-hand tent. Giant tent of cheap second-hand stuff. You reckon this is the second-hand area?
Yeah, yeah.
You know, get all your bathing suits. This probably came from my cousins, you know, back in America. You know, and they all just ship them. All the donations. So, for example, 60 baht, $2, you're gonna get a second-hand pair of just basic women's shoes right here. $3 right here for a pair of these second-hand heels. So there's a university right next to here, so if you're a student and you ain't got no money, you gotta look good. This is where you get your shoes to go out.